Left.
Ice cream, 6 dips for $1.
Holy cow! What kind? Tar Heel Foo? Chop Suey?
Look at this. It's empty, man. It's dead. Push yourself up.
It's empty. They're going. Ken, what's left? Ken, I'll take some Vicks. How much are the Vicks? The halls. Copenhagen.
95.
You sold out of Copenhagen.
We're out of Copenhagen.
Oh my God.
If it wasn't tied down, we're sold out.
Woo!
Run this chair through. Now we're going down.
Steve's been watching this movie 3 times over. Steve is a loyal
Alan Quartermain fan.
Steve, you got the jacket, the hat, the whole kit. I hear you're even buying the movie set, the Stupid Week movie. Buy the video. Yes, we got it for every second, every hour.
Look. He's even a Pacer fan.
What a loser. Awful. Oh, Algie, another loser. I mean...
What?
Nothing. Just because you've been down here 24 hours a day.
It's okay. I know you're losing.
No, actually we're off by 80.
Hey now, don't shut her up now, Ken. You gotta just give us the last word so we can come over here and buy that last thing. We're just waiting around. Oh, of course. There's always tomorrow night, Steve, with Barbarella. You gonna be running all night?
I guess.
You turn that thing off.
It's not that bad. There they are. David, back!
Angus Brown.
Yes, let me have it! Joel! It's over with him!
Help you? What do you have? Anything. There you go.
Thanks.
Joel, are we ready to order? I think we are. I think we got like 33 more seconds.
So let's start cranking that one.
Oh, okay, here.
Oh, get out of here.
You do it, man. I'll have to...
What?
Come on, Janet.
Get a big Wesley.
Go back,
Joel.
Okay, Janet, now try. Hey, Janet, I think you're doing it right this time.
Just hit my head.
Keep going, it does that.
Oh boy, they just run around. Hey Ken, get in the picture, bud. Joel, what's the sign on
We
it?
didn't tell him
Joel,
this time.
what's the sign on it? Ken, smile, bud. That way.
It's like, what?
If it ever rewinds, we'll do it again. Oh my God.
I want some.
You're gonna get 60. Oh shoot! See, what the heck?
I think that'll be enough.
Dorkenheimer.
No, I really think that'll be enough.
How much is it, Ken?
$1 a piece.
$1? I'm gonna pay this much. I didn't bring any money.
Hold on, watch out there, Tom. Watch out for that. I didn't bring any money either, gosh dang it.
That's George Washington. That's Roland.
Just don't touch the camera, please. Yeah.
Quickly.
You got one for me?
Yeah, there's one in yours.
2, 4,
do anything to the
6,
camera.
8, 10. I got it.
Here's mine.
Alright, y'all have a nice day. Thanks for being our last customers, guys.
Thanks, Ken.
Oh, Ken.
Look at this.
Oh my. 6 scoops.
In like a bowl, just 6 little scoops.
Yeah. What is this? This thing's gonna pop on eventually.
I'm going to gain 10 pounds tonight
Oh,
alone.
I know. I'm there choking pizzas now. I should be studying.
Would anybody like some ice cream? I feel fat already.
6 scoops for $1. You can't beat it.
This was all for $2. We said we just wanted a little ice cream to close out the year. The home of the brave, the free, the overabundance.
No way.
In America, there's not waste. There's overabundance. We don't get rid of things. We just give away a lot to ourselves.
Look, it's about ready to drip. No, I think it already just dripped.
Look at this.
If I go manual, can I focus in better? Nope. I can't. That's gross. Iceberg ahead! Scoop 3! No.
Oh.
Captain, we're going down!
It's the Titanic! Ooh.
Oh man, I hate to do that, but I'm just like about ready to explode! Oh.
That's Todd.
This is Todd on too much ice cream.
This is your Todd on food. This is Todd on too much ice cream.
Great acting, great acting. Give him an Emmy. A Grammy even. Hey, I'm just eating chips, man.
Voting for a Ted.
See you later, Chris, and good luck on your exams.
Good luck, Chris. Todd, did you ever get that wrong?